Happy New Year!
Naputukan ka ba this year?
Rico Robles, Hot Babe Cherie, and Phoebe Walker. It's too hot for podcast. It's too hot for podcast.
Too Hot for Podcast is recorded live in front of a studio audience.
All right, here we go before we start our New Year's episode. Let's get some shots.
Ako yung namputok sa kanila.
All right, here we go, ladies and gentlemen.
Yay.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
My name is Rico Robles.
I'm Cherie.
I'm Phoebe Walker.
Coming to you live in our upgraded studio here at Forbes Park. This is Too Hot for Podcast. Happy New Year episode.
Medyo matagal-tagal akong hindi nakakainom, kaya medyo nasira yung buong pagkatao ko dun.
Well, you know, in a second already, your resolution of not drinking is already done. You know how we do it.
Grabe. Parang si Dolphy, no? No. Parang Blade.
So, you know, how was it? How was the New Year for you guys?
It was like a blade.
Hindi, ako kasi pag New Year, I have a certain sense of euphoria and hope for the New Year. Euphoria, 'di ba? Parang happy.
Kala ko yung bar nung araw. Sup, Louis Y?
Rico, hindi na namin inabot yun.
Ako din.
Euphoria.
Diba you're very positive and looking forward towards the rest of the year. So, ganun ako. I'm very positive at the start of the year. Dapat lang.
Dapat ganun. Ako naman, I'm very happy kasi I got to spend it with my family in Europe.
Yeah.
So, oh my God, si Punks pa rin. Alam mo yun, syempre, I don't see them in years. And then, we spent time in Europe touring together. Lots of new memories. Alam mo yun. So, I'm very happy. And yeah, it's a very good start of the year kasi I spent it with my family.
Alam, pag New Year, iniisip ko lang bakit hindi tumagal yung Christmas bonus ko. Ganun lang. Tapos, what to look forward to in the beginning of the year. Kasi one of the things is goals. What I do is I write down everything that I want to achieve for the year. And then, nilalight up ko siya.
Yep.
So, and this year, one of the things that I did somehow envision is that I'm gonna move to a new house, a new place. That's one. Isa doon. Tapos yung ini-envision ko na
sino kasama mo dun sa new house?
Magiging actor ako sa television. So,
actor ka naman na to begin with.
Arte-arte,
diba?
Pero iba pa rin yung...
Paano? Sige nga, sample nga, sample. Sample nagsasabi ka ng Happy New Year in a sad way. Sad way, ah. Dapat may music to.
Happy New Year.
Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow.
Ba't naman yun? Diba?
And then you know what?
Ano kaya, no? You're having sex and not plays on your phone. Meow, 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 meow.
And then you know what? Something really exciting. We did mention this last year's episode natin. May chance kang maging artista on the show.
Yes!
Yeah. Kaya, Rico, gawin mo na. I'm the director kasi dream ko maging director eh. So, okay, say your New Year's resolution in a sad way.
Gusto ko magkabahay.
Meow, 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 meow. Meow, meow, meow.
Ibabahay kita. At araw-araw, babayuhin kita.
Sad nga eh.
Ay, sorry, uso.
Sad.
Uso VMAX.
Oh, sige, ganito. Viva Max.
VMX.
So sexy. New Year's resolution in a very sexy way.
Alam mo.
Yung mga audience natin, di makalunok ng pagkain.
Cringe, no? Oh.
Ano? Paano?
Naramdaman ba yan? Tumigas ba?
May lalaki kausap mo?
Hindi, babae. Yung nipples, di ba? Yung nipples. Tama, di ba? How do you say if it's a nipple?
Sige nga. In a happy way. Paano mo actingin yun? Happy ha? Masaya?
Uy, pare. Uy, girl. You know what I'm saying? Happy. Bahay na tayo. Handa ka na ba mag-live-in?
Yun na yun, happy?
Yun, happy na yun.
Ay, wow.
Ano gusto mo?
Happy.
Yes, hindi ako happy person. I'm a happy person, pero chill lang.
Hindi kasi yung VTR acting dati, di ba?
Oo.
Merong happy, merong nanalo ng
Oo,
1 million
yung
happy.
sabihin mo yung yummy in a sad way. Di ba ganun yung mga VTR?
O, sa ganito.
Okay,
Kung
okay.
mag-VTR
Sabihin mo
tayo
yung
ngayon.
yummy in a sad way. Yummy.
Sa 2024.
Yummy lang, one word lang,
So,
one
yeah,
word.
Let's go.
Oo.
Sad.
Sad. Yummy.
Yummy.
Thinking.
Yummy.
Excited.
Yummy.
Happy.
Yummy.
Nanalo ng 1 million.
Yummy.
Wow, yun
Ay,
yung yummy mo. Ay,
Hindi ako
Kasi-
naniniwala.
Nalilibugan
May mga
way
pupuntahan.
yummy. Nalilibugan way yummy.
Yummy. O, so ganito, VTR nga tayo ngayon. Kayong dalawa. I mean, these guys that are watching.
Ay,
are like
wala. Wag mo kami
90%
i-challenge.
men.
Buhay namin yan eh. Sorry.
Yummy na nahuli, nakabit ka.
Yummy. 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 Yummy.
Yaming patago.
Yummy.
Yaming nilabasan.
Yummy. Yummy.
Yummy on top.
Yummy.
Yaming bottom.
Yummy. 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 Yummy.
Okay, the shot.
Phoebe's turn. Phoebe's
your
turn.
turn.
Phoebe's
Your
turn.
turn.
No. Walang magpapas dito.
Game.
Yummy. Rico, go.
Best supporting actress. Go. Yummy na may scandal.
Yummy.
Wow.
Ang virgin. Ang virgin. Hoy, Phoebe. Nanalo ka ng award ha. Ayusin mo yan.
Nominated
Go,
na,
go.
guys.
Ano next? Yummy na happy. Happy.
Yummy.
Yummy on top.
I can tell you. I can tell you the reality of this.
Yummy on top.
Yummy on top.
Top.
Yummy on top. Go.
Yummy on top.
Go, yummy on top. Go. Next tayo, guys. Go.
Ay, hindi pwede.
Yummy on top.
Nanalo ka dito.
Yummy
Wala
on top.
magpapas.
Go.
Yummy.
Ito yan. Mali yun. Game ulit. Yummy on top.
Paano, Rico?
Yummy on top. Go.
Gagawin mo yung Phoebe.
Go.
Yummy on top.
Ay, di ba pagod ka na?
Yummy na bottom. Yummy na bottom. Yummy na bottom.
On the camera. Go.
Yummy.
Parang Vanilla Sky.
Parang roller coaster no? Parang
Yummy nung nasira yung bed nyo.
Moving on, guys. Baka
Yummy
wala
nung
na
nasira
tayo.
yung bed nyo.
Sira yung bed. Yummy. Go.
Yummy. Inuga lahat. Okay. Palakpakan, guys. Ang galing ng acting. Talaga naman.
Resolution-wise, that's the bucket list.
Wait lang, best actor, Rico Robles.
Yes.
Bucket list yun, man.
We give that to
I'm
you.
Pwede na.
with renowned actresses on the show, so I think this year will be a big year for this show, Too Hot for Podcast. Maraming salamat to everybody who supported us, man. You know, since day one, our family members, we were nervous how we will be received, but you know, the people that have been watching, that have been messaging, we can see your messages. We see your pictures, we see your DMs, and you're going to get an opportunity to watch us live this year. We promise, all right? And then also, we're going to have a chance to have a big event for you guys. You just have to tune in and follow Saunders online and on socials. That's Sonder Media Group. Okay, so go
Yes,
get
sir.
Thank you, Sonder Media Group.
that. Okay, so one of the things as well, new year, new resolutions, new bucket list. So, as far as sexual bucket lists, what are the sexual bucket lists you
Ilan ba?
girls have?
Up to what? 1 to what? 1 to 7? 1 to 5? 1 to 10?
You have a bucket list ba? Sexual bucket
Sexual
list?
bucket list? Alam mo, isa lang naman talaga yung gusto ko eh. Try it on an airplane.
Airplane.
Yeah, on business class or first class.
Anong airline?
Anong airline?
Kasi pwede tayong,
alam mo, one of my
pwede tayong
favorite...
Cebu Pac. Medyo delayed lang ng konti. Pero makakarating ka, matitira ka. Pero delay lang ng konti.
Ay, mas mahaba-habang panahon yun. Diba? Hindi, pero ano eh. Parang international.
Shot clock. Ano ang pamagat nito? Jack Coke? Jack
Cole? Charot. May ganun palang pangalan. Akala ko blowjob lang meron. May Jack Cole na pala ngayon.
When you're coming from
Thank
tequila and the
you.
opening, a Jack Coke feels really good. So,
Yeah.
Galing. So thank
So
you.
ikaw, Rico, what's your bucket list? Share it with us.
When I was young, nung bata ako, ng mga tipong 15, 16, 17, gano'n. I guess I lost my virginity at 20.
Wow,
So-
ang tanda mo na. Charot.
So, nung time na yon, gusto kong buuin yung alphabet. Yung A, B, C, D, E,
Nasa
F, G.
letter F ka na ngayon. P.
P.
Nasa P ka na ngayon.
Pilipino
Malayo-layo na.
Phoebe. Si Phoebe.
Sorry na. 3 shots. Dang.
Yeah, right. But then that time, pero ngayon, ako, gusto ko yung sa bucket list, on the personal note, to have sex on the balcony, looking over Ortigas. Yung tipong... Kasi dito
Akala ko
tayo.
naman sa The Farm.
Bago New York City, bago Los Angeles, bago
Ortigas.
Paris. Ortigas lang. Kasi, di ba? Yung tipong skyrise.
Di ko
alam mo
kaya
yun?
to.
Ganun tayo. The OC, man. We go within reach. Alam ko nasa...
Pasig ba yung
Oo,
view?
Pasig. Valle
Anak ng
Verde,
Pasig.
Brad. Valle Verde view. Yung tipong
Anak ng
ganon.
Pasig naman talaga to,
Yung
Rico.
tipong iwi-window mo. Yung gano'n.
Ako naman.
Dali, hindi pa ako tapos.
Ay, hindi ka pa
Iwi-window
tapos.
mo.
Okay.
Tapos yung Osmo nandun sa gilid.
Wow, may camera talaga.
Oo, talaga ganun. Osmo Pocket 3. Now with AI.
Baka naman.
Di ba? Susundan ako, no? Saan ako punta? Anong posisyon? Nasunod yun. Di ba?
Pwede ba i-highlight mo lang yung may putotoy mo banda?
That's gonna be a mega zoom. Okay, your turn.
Me, okay. Nasabi ko na past episode yung hot tub and So now, I think since,
Nagawa nyo na?
winter, and then,
Since nagawa nyo na?
parang gusto ko sa
Yung hirap ng hot tub, to maintain. Like,
somewhere like,
after first round, grabe, hirap.
Uy, I'm
Ay, sorry.
answering.
yung first round, matapang ka pa, second round.
O sige na, patapusin mo muna si Phoebe.
Parang like Snow Lodge.
Snow Lodge.
Somewhere like
Social.
Aspen.
Wow.
Tapos you're in front of the chimney. Chimney. You're in front of the fireplace.
Baka nandun si
Diba?
ay
You're
sumami
all wrapped
kissing
up
Santa
in
Claus.
fur and all that. O diba, that's romantic.
Meron bang ganun sa Victoria Court na room? Aspen.
Aspen.
Ganun.
Di ba
Tatawagan
aso
natin.
yun?
My
Aspen.
Titirahin kita na parang Aspin.
Oh my goodness. Okay. Can we bring in the rated R
Teach me how to doggy. Teach me how to doggy. Teach me how to doggy.
I gotta say hello to Cherie's outfit. Oh,
Yeah.
New Year na New Year.
New Year's resolution, hanggang dito lang talaga to,
Oh,
guys.
Yan. Nakita mo. At hindi po gawa yan, natural po yan. Paano mo pinapakita pag natural? Paano ang test?
Dapat tumatalon.
The test, go.
Ganun.
Oh, di ba?
Pag umuuga,
Phoebe.
totoo yun.
Ano ba?
Siya, isa. Ikaw dapat.
Wala ka makikita
Go,
kasi
go.
nakapang Bible study
Okay
ako.
lang yan. Powdered milk. Powdered milk yan. Okay lang yan.
Gagi.
Go, powdered milk, go.
I-blip natin yun. Charot.
Yan. Okay. Ako rin.
Diba?
Paano mo malalaman pag totoo yung itlog mo? Paano mo malalaman pag tunay yung itlog mo?
Yan. You like that, don't you?
Oh my goodness.
The Rated R Jar. The Rated R Jar.
Oh my gosh,
Alright, here it
Rico.
comes.
Uy, hindi, pero totoo. Alam mo, meron daw yun. Paano mo malalaman pag yung guy may ginawang kalokohan the night before?
Oh.
Yung itlog daw lumulutang. Di ba may ganun yun?
Ano lumulutang?
Ipaupuin mo daw, paupuin mo sa tubig. Pag yung...
Tapos?
Pag yung itlog lumubog, ibig sabihin hindi
Puno
siya
pa.
nagloko, puno pa.
Puno pa.
Pag lumutang, wala na siyang laman.
Yeah.
So, Phoebe, alam mo na.
So,
Paupuin mo mamaya si Rico ha, sa tubig. Tingnan mong mabuti. Lumutang, ganun.
ano pa malaman kung may ginawa akong
Ano?
impisingin mo meron ka na.
Uy, baboy.
Sino ba mag-draw?
Baboy mo.
Ako muna. Sige, ikaw muna.
Happy New Year!
Happy
New
New
Year!
Year.
New Pop!
Pero
There
ganito
you
pa rin
go.
yung jar natin.
Sponsor dyan. In HD printing technology. Thank you guys. Yan na po. Magbabasa na si Cherie. Ako na.
Sana
hawakan
daw
na
more
po yan.
sexual ang questions. May
So,
nagsabi.
anong sabi?
Should you ask?
Should you ask your partner about their sexual
Body
history?
count.
Sexual?
History.
Oh my gosh. We fought
Baka
about
mas
that.
marami ako, hindi ko tatanungin.
Feeling ko.
Hindi, joke lang.
Hindi.
Hindi na kailangan eh. I mean, like for me, past is past. Like kahit 100 pa yung tinira niya, pagdating niya sa akin, ang galing niya na, okay na ako dun.
So, kung yung date mo, alam mong mass murderer, ipagtetest mo ba siya ng HIV?
Of course.
Okay.
Alam mo ano yung prerequisite sa akin yun?
Prerequisite sa'yo
Oo.
yun?
Kailangan may test ka bago tayo mag-chorba.
Test ka bago ko mahawak ang test mo.
Oo. Kailangan mo nang i-test. Kailangan mo nang i-test mic kita. Test mic, hello, ganon.
No, pero practice makes perfect, and I do believe that perfect timing is everything.
That's
so
true.
at the time I was practicing, and everything happened for a reason, and it was a perfect time.
Okay, Rico.
practice.
Pagtanggol mo yung sarili mo.
So yun na yun. Stuy, diyan lang. Uy, naaway na. Gumagawa na naman ng away. New Year tayo. Gumagawa
Hindi,
ng away.
okay lang
kasi-
yan. At least honest ka, di ba? Mass murder.
Hindi ako I always ask eh. Kasi ano siya eh. Siyempre, it
Ikaw ba magdodraw? Ako na.
it tells
Hindi, ako
you.
na. Huy.
Okay.
Ako yung nanalo sa
It tells you kasi kung player siya o hindi, di ba?
Hindi, kasi meron namang mga players na, alam mo girl, ang player, kung player talaga siya at gusto niya maging player forever, magiging player siya forever. But if he want to change for a certain person, kaya niyang gawin yun. So kumbaga yun lang yung mga learnings ko over the years, di ba, of having relationships na pang matagalan din naman. But kung gusto talaga magloko ng tao, magloloko siya. At kung ayaw niya ipaalam sa'yo, hindi mo talaga malalaman yun. So, wala talaga tayong choice, di ba? But to accept reality.
Pero ang
Yan
taong
talaga.
player ba, may pwedeng magbago? Isn't a player always a player?
I think pwede naman kung talagang choice nilang magbago. I think so.
Yeah. And
I
it
think
shouldn't
so.
come from somebody else. It should be,
From him
His
mismo
personal
or from
decision.
her mismo.
so what is your opinion?
Ladies, you have to understand. Cherie,
Ano,
Phoebe.
uma-acting na naman po
I
siya.
cannot relate in this conversation because Rico Robles is not a player. He's a coach.
What does that mean? Okay, sige.
May ano. At least
Labas
nanonood.
ang clipboard.
Okay.
Pwede na ako mag-draw. Ikaw
Pwedeng
naman.
pwede.
Sige, go.
Good to know.
Mga body count tayo. Fetishes. How to talk about them without fetish.
Without what? Without
Without
what?
shame.
Ah.
Dapat isulat nyo yata yung mga questions natin para...
Wait, sorry. A fetish is something that turns you on.
Yeah.
Okay.
I never knew what her fetish was. Let's start with you first. What's your fetish?
Ako gusto
You're
ko,
in Tagalog, pitish.
fetish. Alam mo ako, I really like the guys kilikili. I don't know, for some strange
Ay, ganda
reason.
na.
What about the kilikili?
That's why I like guys who have good smelling kilikili. Kasi I really like kilikili. Like, yung may buhok.
May buhok.
Minsan pag natutulog yung guy, di ba, tapos nakaganon lang. Tapos alam mo yung parang gustong-gusto ko nilulukot yung buhok.
Ano yung girl, dinadive mong gano'n?
Nilulukan niya with her tongue. Ginagano niya parang cherry
Oo.
stem.
Yeah, minsan with my tongue. But I mean like, I like guys kilikili for some strange reason. Yung may buhok ka.
Ayaw mo yung ahit. Ayaw mo yung ahit.
Ayoko yung ahit. Ayoko yung ahit. Hello, hindi naman lalaki yun. Kung hindi ahit, hindi nila ako mag-aahit para patas. Pero ang tsaka naman nun, di ba? But yeah, I like kilikili na may buhok. Tapos gusto ko yung pinaglalaroan yung buhok sa kilikili.
So kung may
guys,
himol-mol
alam niyo
ang
na.
kilikili mo,
So weird.
si Cherie ang may kagagawa ng himol-mol na yun. Himolmol.
Kung sa poodle, di ba, yung nagbubuhol yung buhok?
What do you call that? Rug? Mat.
Oo.
Mat.
Oo, yun.
Ako naman, napansin ko, hindi siya sexual fetish. It's just something I find really attractive in guys is, balbasarado siya.
Inaaway ako niyan pag nag-shave ako.
As in,
Kasi nakakalalaki.
very manly sa paningin ko. So, I like it.
Saka napansin ko
may
noon
balbas.
kapag malahaba yung bigote ko, talagang on top siya lagi. Ganun
Wow.
level. Pero pag wala akong bigote, no sex, man.
Uy, hindi. At saka gusto ko din yung maganda yung ngipin.
Okay.
Yung pag nag-smile, yung parang,
Thank you, Apostol Dental.
oh my God, parang gusto kong dilaan yung ipin niya. Yung parang,
Kita mo yan?
ganun.
Kita mo yan? Chiclet yan, Brad. Chiclet. So, teeth talaga, teeth.
Oo, teeth and kilikili. Ganon.
Teeth. Okay. I come to know. I just don't get the whole foot thing. I'm trying to figure.
Oo nga, may iba.
May nakatrabaho ako sa
Oo.
show.
Sino yun? Tapos,
First day
Ay, gusto
namin.
naman niya alamin.
First day namin sa set. Nakachinelas ako. He looks at my feet. So I'm like, what are you doing? Like, you know me naman, diba? So I cover my feet, right? I'm like, sabi niya, sorry, it's just my fetish. So like some guys really like it.
does that turn you on? Ano, like microphone.
Hindi ko pwedeng announce, baka magalit sa
Sige.
akin.
Yun ang hilig niya.
Talaga?
Gusto niya yung maganda yung paa.
Kasi
Saka yung kamay.
inaalagaan niya, ganun. Paano kung boksingero?
Pero cut na lang natin kasi baka magalit sa akin. But yeah.
Okay. Nothing wrong with that.
Hindi ko makuha yun sa, when you have foot fetishes. Parang sa porn, hindi ko maintindihan yung
Hindi kasi alam mo na experience ko yun before with my ex ha. Gustong-gusto niya, kinakain yung paa.
Do you girls get turned on with that?
I did.
Do you give way?
I mean like it was my first time ha.
Hinahanap mo?
Hindi ko hinahanap pero I admit I really enjoyed it. I mean like it's something different.
Parang
kakaiba siya kasi parang first time kong na-experience.
Nagpapanilandia ka bago?
Siyempre kailangan malinis ka sa kuko kasi yung, ewan ko,
sabi niya,
at that time, sabi niya talaga sa akin, maganda daw yung kuko ko, ay maganda daw yung paa. Ayaw niya yung may siyempre pag napanood niya to, alam niya kung sino siya. Pero mahilig siya sa paa. So nung time na na-experience ko yun, kakaibang feeling siya.
Sa anong part of your toe na pinaka
yung thumb ng... yung toe.
Big toe.
Oo, pero may
Pero
sensation
alam yun.
siya.
May napanood akong pelikula talagang sinasak yung big toe eh.
Anong pelikula yun?
Si Si Nicole Kidman.
Oo.
When she was younger.
Pero talagang meron siyang certain sensation.
I've never tried.
I try mo, Rico.
Would you though? Would you suck? What if your partner, that's her fetish, but nandidiri ka eh. So would you still do it?
I have yet to cross the bridge when I get there. I would not know what to do if she goes, pee on me. Ano gagawin ko? Diba? I would not. That's a good question. People in the comment section. Kung yung fetish ng kadyo, that moment you're naked with that person, susundin mo ba yung fetish nun?
Kailangan
gagawin mo?
If you're in the moment diba?
Sabi, pee on me, iyan mo ko. Dilaan mo yung...
Alin?
But first, shot clap!
Dilaan mo yung banyo.
There you go.
Dilaan mo yung banyo.
Ano title nito? Whiskey! Alright!
Uy, grabe lasing na ako. Nasa pang-ilan pa tayo. Dilaan mo yung banyo yung naiisip ko. Rico!
Dilaan mo yung
Salamat.
banyo. In fairness,
Thank you,
no?
CJ.
Nasa tile number 23 na ako. Mahirap tanggalin. Tapos na ako sa toothbrush holder mo.
Okay. So did you say your fetish? Wala pa, no?
I have no fetish.
Thank you,
actually.
CJ.
I have hindi ko pa alam.
Talaga?
I think I'm at that age where I have not explored the fetish.
Hindi, feeling ko meron ka.
That I have.
As a friend, as I can remember, gustong-gusto mo yung face ng partner mo kapag when you're doing it. Alam ko yan. Sabi mo sa akin, sorry, bubukongin na kita ngayon na.
Pag naitignan
Sabi
ko yung
mo,
mukha.
sabi ko, Rico, I really like Phoebe for you. Sabi niya, okay naman siya. Maganda yung niya. Anong tawag mo dun?
Ganda yung fuck face.
Fuck face niya. Maganda yung fuck face niya. Yun yung na-remember ko talaga.
Sorry, early stages natin to. Sinabi ko sa kanya, in fairness, naka-makeup siya, galing ata siyang press ko. Para akong porn star for 2 seconds.
Sabi, I think that's your fetish.
I think.
Paano pag yung mukha?
Sabi ni Vivi kasi na,
Ay, nako.
ay, mukha ako mga kasi penguin. Parang yung meme.
Parang yung meme, yung POV.
Her POV.
Try mo nga, Enrico. Dapat sa next episode may POV mo, ha? Yung habang,
Magka-camera tayo na yung, ikaw, dali mo yung GoPro, susuot mo, di ba?
Alright, I got one.
Okay.
Oh, a little serious. The rise of situationships. Why are labels disappearing?
Okay, situationships.
Cowardice.
We did talk about this in the previous, but then a part of it, it's just more of, there are many ways na you could get to talk to a person, get in touch with humans. There's social media, there's Bumble, Tinder, dating apps. So that's why situationships are like that. If you notice, when you go on these apps, you just like to look at things. Parang nasa mall, nakaupo ka, tumitingin-tingin ka lang, people watch. It's becoming that. So nagkaaroon ka na ADHD in relationship. And that's always a challenge. Yung gusto mo lang, tumitingin ng mga chicks, gano'n.
Yeah.
So that's how I feel about it.
Situationship. I think, for me, yung situationship, yung kunyari meron ng ka-relationship yung isang person. Tapos biglang na-meet mo yung tao na yon. Tapos nagkagustuhan kayo. And then biglang nagkaroon ng confusion.
Parang ngayon lang.
And then hindi ka makapag-decide.
Nandito ako sa Dubai, sa aeroplano.
So parang, man, may situation siya. Gusto niya ako, kaso lang hindi niya pwedeng iwanan ng basta-basta yung person na yun.
So yun yung situation.
Kasi matagal na sila together.
Nasa aeroplano kayo.
Pero hindi naman siya happy.
Nasa Dubai.
Pero mas happy naman siya sa akin.
Business class.
Diba? Pero hindi niya magawang hiwalayan yung person na yun. So ngayon, it becomes a situationship.
What do you do?
In short,
is it acceptable or not?
So in short,
Yun yung
girl,
tanong.
Free siya just in case somebody else comes along.
I think yun yung
Open
alam mo yung
relationship.
alam mo yung meron siyang jowa, tapos biglang na-meet mo siya. Tapos biglang gusto niyo yung isa't isa. Gusto niyo yung isa't isa, pero kasi hindi pwede kasi may jowa siya. Yung ganon. So I think that becomes a situationship for me, ha. I mean, like, that's how I understand things.
Kasi,
yung kumbaga nag-meet kayo, tapos may jowa siya, pero hindi siya happy dun sa jowa niya, pero hindi niya mahiwalayan. Kasi matagal na sila together. Tapos bigla kang dumating. Paano mo yun i-deal?
We got the right love.
Parang ganon. Right love at the wrong time. So I don't know. I think for me, I have to let him experience and finish that relationship
before
I
remember you
enter.
telling me about this.
Yeah, before I enter.
Sa'yo, pero meron
na pala.
Oo, yung mga ganon. Siyempre kasi parang nakakaawa naman kung ikaw yung nasa side ng babae, diba? I mean...
Pero may nabasa akong
quote. Ano nabasa mo?
So anong gagawin mo?
Diba?
Anong gagawin mo kung ikaw?
If you were in a relationship and then somebody else comes along and you love that person more, puntahan mo yung second person. Kasi if you really truly love the first person, hindi mo na i-entertain yung second person. So it's sad, but if you think about the logic of it, parang, oo nga no, bakit pa ako tumingin sa iba kung mahal ko talaga tong kasama ko?
Alam nyo na yan, ha?
Diba? But don't worry. Don't worry.
Basta tirahin mo lang ang tirahin, bro. Ubusin mo yung lakas para nyo tumingin kahit saan. Ganun lang yun.
Yeah.
Hindi. Kasi I mean like, yun nga eh. Parang kung hindi ka na happy sa isang relationship.
Why stay there for the longevity if it's gonna be, and then you have kids pa, para kayo nakakulong, di ba?
That's the worst eh. You feel you're trapped kasi you don't want to hurt the person, pero nasa-sacrifice mo na yung sarili mo because you don't want to hurt the other person. Kasi kung tutuusin, wala naman talagang mali eh. But then pala, deep inside sa sarili mo, you feel trapped na. Sad eh, no? Wala lang.
Sad.
I know a lot of people.
This is such a revelation of an episode, ladies and
situationship.
gentlemen.
That question is so hard,
Especially this New Year episode of Too Hot for Podcast.
Yeah.
it comes to an end with the life of Rick B. Nakita ko na kung ano yung sitwasyon nito. So next week, Too Hot for Podcast will be live at Silo. We're gonna look for girls. And at studio, we're gonna be, yun pala yun. Huwag kang lalabas.
Biglang nag-away na naman sila, guys.
So, nakadraw na ba lahat? Nakadraw na.
Yes, we have.
Sure.
Did you get to draw?
I think so. Yeah, I did.
Yeah,
right?
she got to draw. But, we learned a lot on today's episode. Situationships.
Oh my god.
Oh, yeah.
The Naked Truth. Too Hot for Podcast. The Naked Truth.
Medyo nga, with the availability of technology, social media, accounts everywhere, it sort of throws us in a loop in a way, diba? And as far as, of course, closure, New Year's resolutions, very, very exciting 2025. Especially for our show.
Oh my God, 2025 na.
Diba?
So fast.
We're gonna take our show. The goal is to take the show on the road. Hopefully, we get to be with you guys in your universities, maybe in your parties, in your events,
In your offices.
and we have a conversation like this about sex, about life, about FUBUs, about closure, about moving on. That'd be cool.
Hindi, kasi ito yung mga topics na hindi talaga madalas na pag-uusapan.
Oo.
And it just happened na we're very comfortable talking about it. So we're just sharing kung ano yung nasa thoughts namin. It's either you take it or not. And syempre, your suggestions, your comments, your experiences are welcome here. Kasi syempre, like what I said, hindi naman tayo lumaki together in the same roof. So lahat tayo, magkaiba yung situations, di ba? So maybe we can help each other through sharing your stories, and we're also sharing our opinions. And you're very welcome to share your opinions with
As
us.
Cherie always said, this is a welcoming show.
Yes.
At kung kailangan mong tumangkad, papatangka rin namin.
Yes.
Kayo. We're gonna end you all with a shot, of course. Happy New Year, everybody.
Happy New
Happy New Year.
Year.
Happy 2025 to your new year, new booze. Cheers.
Yes, we
Grabe.
wish you all a very happy new year.
Yeah, till then, ladies and gentlemen, don't forget, if you want to invite us in your schools and your events, all you got to do is message Saunders. There's the details in the bottom, and we will be there if it's right. Hey! Till then, my name is Rico Robles.
I'm Cherie.
I'm Phoebe Walker.
And this is
Too Hot for Podcast.
I thought you were gonna say if the price is right.
Yeah. Ang paboritong show ng ex mo.